Greetings from Farstanäset, this tiny sandy beach located in the Farstanäset Nature Reserve here in Stockholm. So it is beautiful nature all around here that you have seen also in the intro with my bicycle ride. I took my gravel bike today, Scott, but it is only 5 kilometers away from my home, this spot in Farstanäset. Yes, today is 21st of August 2024 and I'm here for a quick swim today close to my home. Now here we have also a gazebo that you can do some grilling as well in this area over here if someone is coming to hike, and then also they can obviously swim as well. There is even a rocky part around those forests over there that I have visited before, but I have been obviously to this beach. I remember it was in November last year and it was freezing cold, and I even got an old split back then. So yes, Farstanäset, yet another beach adventure here in Stockholm, this time close to my home. It looks like the forecast says it's gonna rain later in the afternoon, so it's good for me to tick off the beach adventure now during lunchtime for a quick swim, as it took me less than 12 minutes to get here. To be fair, it's very close to my home. And this is obviously Lake Magelungen, and I measured the temperature. It says 20 degrees Celsius and 21 in the air, so still very warm. And I can see also Farsta Strand Promenade over there. It is empty, completely empty. I see nobody in the water, and that is usually a very popular place to swim. But yes, I have already shown you Farsta, now showing you Farstanäset for the very first time this year. And this is actually the sandy beach here. There is even one other jetty close by here that I will show you some other day. That's very convenient for a swim. But it is the same water in the lake, obviously. And yeah, now we have also some sun, so that is perfect. So I can show you the beauty of the nature over here in Farstanäset. So the entrance here is sandy, it's sand everywhere, and we can see also the Augusta Bridge in the distance, and then obviously Farsta on the other side. There is also the Farsta swimming pool there is behind those trees, as well as the track stadium for football and for running. And there is even a hockey hall also, and ice skating ring that is being used in the winter. So yes, Magelungen, it's been a while since I've been here, so I kindly missed it. I'm gonna be visiting it a lot more in the upcoming weeks, especially when it's gonna get cold, as it is closest lake to my home, being Fagersjö, which is only 3 kilometers from my home. So yes, beach day number 125 today on this 21st of August. So let's then go in for a swim and enjoy this beautiful day while the water is still warm, but everything is telling that the temperatures will decrease significantly soon as autumn is on its way. But I still refuse to say that summer is over, because it is not. Oops, I stepped on a rock. Right, cool. So with this view over here, let's then dive in here and enjoy the swim. There are lots of plants here, as you can see also, but the water is clean and nice. Let's dive in again. So nice. So nice indeed. I feel so blessed that I live so close to this beautiful nature and the access to a natural lake for a swim, and to use the same lake for ice skating in the winter. Yep, I do ice skating on this frozen lake during the months of December, January, February, mostly, depending on how the weather is going to be, obviously how thick the ice is going to get. But winters are quite cold sometimes, up to -20, and then the ice gets hard very, very fast. Alright, then let's wrap up from this beautiful place, Farstanäset, most sandy beach in the nature reserve of Farstanäset. Thanks so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!